All right, next, we're installing this storage box. 40 liters. Looks like that right now. There's my shoes. It's going to expand, and it's going to fit right in the bed of our side-by-side. Let's get to it. All right, we're just going to plop her in here. And she expands. Look at that. Expansion. Yeah. Look at these pockets. 3 pockets here. You got zips right here. Insulation in there. Thing's rocking. All right, and this is how you strap it into the bed. You got this low anchor point, which I really like that it's low, so it holds it in place and holds it low, so you're not taking away this extra space. You can actually still mount stuff right here. Well, that was easy. These 2 straps snap in, snap, 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 snappy. You're in. Thing's awesome. 40 liters, guys. Insulated. I just want to point something out. I was kind of worried because this didn't zip, so I was worried like dust is going to get in. But then I started closing it and started realizing this thing's super thick. This is like a barrier right here. So you close this guy, and I can fill up in there with my hand. Ain't no dust getting up in there. Genius. You don't need zippers. You just need brains.